Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to make a TikTok account on iPhone. Due to the current TikTok situation, we weren't sure if we'd still be able to sign up for TikTok on iPhone anymore. Fortunately, we have some good news since TikTok, Oracle, and Walmart made a deal that stopped the US government from banning the app. Still, if you've ever thought about signing up for TikTok, you should do it now before it's too late. And here's what you need to do. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you have to open your TikTok app. A sign up window will pop up on your app, and you have to select how you want to sign up. I choose with Google account, tap continue, and then wait for a second. After that, choose which one that Google account you want to use for TikTok. Then enter your birthday. Tap next, and you can create a username. Then tap sign up. Tap OK, and your account is already used. Well guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.